Okay, this says point P has coordinates a comma b and is in quadrant 2. If a squared plus b squared is equal to 100, and theta degrees is the standard position angle that goes through the point a comma b minus 10, determine the quadrant of the terminal side of theta degrees plus 90 degrees. This problem actually sounds worse than it is. If you just start drawing, right, so AB is in quadrant 2, so that must mean, right, these coordinates here are AB, and that must mean, right, that's A and that's B. This relationship essentially tells us that the hypotenuse is a 10, right, because it's the Pythagorean theorem, which means that the hypotenuse is 10. So now we're looking at the point A, B minus 10. So what would that look like? Well, it would have the same x coordinate, and then I have to subtract 10. And when I subtract 10, I must be in, right, if I minus 10 here, and I must be in quadrant 3, because I must have gone down a distance greater than B. Since B is the leg of this triangle, 10 is bigger than its hypotenuse, so I am somewhere here. So this brings me to, right, that point there would be A, B minus 10. And the angle they're referring to, okay, theta degrees is the angle that goes through that point. And if you add 90 to it, if you even just draw what 90 degrees looks like, adding 90 to it brings you this way. And that must take us to quadrant 4.